What if I told you you might already be ahead financially and you don't even realize it? Not because you drive a luxury car, not because you post vacation pictures, not because your bank balance looks impressive on social media, but because of quiet decisions you've been making when no one was watching. In a world where people measure success by what's visible, real financial advantage is almost invisible. So here's the real question. Are you chasing wealth or are you building it? Today I'm going to show you 8 powerful signs that you are financially ahead of most people around you, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Some of these signs are subtle. Some might surprise you. And one of them, especially near the end, completely changes how you see money, freedom, and your future. Stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you won't just understand where you stand. You'll see how close you are to a different level. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Sign number 1. You feel calm when unexpected expenses happen. Imagine this. Your car breaks down and the repair costs $200. Most people feel immediate panic, stress, maybe even shame. But you feel inconvenience, not fear. That emotional difference is everything. Financial anxiety is one of the strongest indicators of instability. Surveys show that nearly 40% of adults would struggle to cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. If you can handle it without debt, without sleepless nights, you are already operating from a higher level. The real advantage here isn't the money itself, it's psychological safety. When you're not in survival mode, your brain makes better decisions. You negotiate better. You think long-term. You don't accept bad deals out of desperation. Many people increase their income but never increase their security. They upgrade lifestyle instead. Bigger rent, bigger EMIs, bigger pressure. You chose stability. And here's the deeper layer. Financial calmness compounds. The less stressed you are about money, the more clarity you bring to opportunities. That clarity creates better outcomes. Better outcomes create confidence. It becomes a cycle of power instead of panic. But emotional control is only the first signal. Number 2, you delay lifestyle upgrades, even when you can afford them. When income rises, most people celebrate by upgrading immediately. New phone, better car, bigger apartment. But you hesitate. Not because you're scared to spend, not because you can't afford it, but because you ask one question. Will this purchase improve my life or just my image? That question alone places you in a different category. In behavioral finance, this is called resisting lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the strongest predictors of long-term wealth. The book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel highlights how wealth is what you don't see. It's the assets not spent. Let the gap grow between what you earn and what you spend. That gap becomes your power. It becomes investments. It becomes freedom. It becomes optionality. The fascinating cultural insight here is this. In societies where modesty around money is valued, wealth accumulation tends to be higher across generations. Flashy consumption often correlates with short-term thinking. You're thinking long-term. And the longer you play the game, the more powerful the next sign becomes, especially when it comes to how you see time. Sign number 3, you value time more than overtime pay. Early in life, trading time for money makes sense, but at some point something shifts. You start asking, how can I make money work without me? That shift is a massive indicator of financial advancement. You begin thinking about investments, systems, side income, maybe even passive streams. You explore assets that generate cash flow, whether through dividend stocks, rental properties, digital products, or businesses. You understand something critical. Time is finite. Income potential isn't. Most people focus on hourly earnings. Financially advanced individuals focus on ownership. Ownership of equity, ownership of skills, ownership of asset. Even if your portfolio isn't massive yet, the mindset shift is powerful. You're planting seeds instead of constantly harvesting labor. Individuals who prioritize asset accumulation over consumption reach financial independence significantly earlier, sometimes a decade sooner than peers earning similar salaries. The real transformation happens internally. You stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an allocator of capital. And here's the interesting twist. Once you start valuing time deeply, something else changes. You become more selective about people. Sign number 4. You avoid financially negative environments. Money habits are contagious. Studies on social behavior show that people's spending patterns closely mirror their peer group. If everyone around you upgrades cars on credit, pressure builds. If your circle normalizes debt, it feels normal. But you've started protecting your environment. You don't engage in comparison-driven spending. You quietly distance yourself from financial chaos. You choose conversations about growth instead of gossip. This is rare. If you've curated your circle carefully, or at least reduced exposure to negativity, you're ahead. Because the battle for wealth isn't only mathematical, it's emotional. You can earn $100,000 a year and still feel poor if comparison surrounds you. Or you can earn less and feel powerful if your environment supports discipline. You've chosen influence over impulse. And that decision sets up the next sign, one that reveals itself quietly in how you handle debt. Sign number 5. You treat debt like fire, powerful but dangerous. Most people don't fall behind because they lack income. They fall behind because they misunderstand debt. Debt is like fire. In the right place, it cooks your food. In the wrong place, it burns your house down. If you're financially ahead, you've already sensed this difference. You don't swipe your credit card just because there's a limit available. You don't finance things just to feel successful. You pause. You calculate. You think in terms of control. Globally, billions of dollars are paid every year in high-interest charges alone. That money could have built assets, funded investments, or created financial breathing room. Instead, it disappears into interest payments. When you see debt clearly, without emotional attachment, you gain an advantage most people never develop. You understand that borrowing for an appreciating asset is very different from borrowing for a depreciating lifestyle. You ask yourself one question before signing anything. Is this decision increasing my future freedom or shrinking it? That single filter protects your peace, your cash flow, and your long-term power. Sign number 6. You are comfortable with slow, invisible progress. We live in a culture addicted to speed. Overnight, success stories go viral. Fast money looks glamorous. But if you're financially ahead, you've stopped chasing sudden breakthroughs. You've started trusting steady growth. Real wealth often feels boring in the beginning. Small contributions, consistent saving, gradual improvement. In the early stages, it doesn't look impressive. It doesn't impress friends. It doesn't create headlines. But over time, the effect compounds quietly. The difference between someone who invests patiently and someone who jumps from trend to trend becomes dramatic after several years. Many people abandon long-term plans because progress feels slow. You didn't. You accepted that meaningful change requires consistency. You understand that discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow. When markets fluctuate or income varies, you don't panic because you're not depending on quick wins. You're depending on process, and process builds confidence. That confidence allows you to stay calm while others overreact. The ability to tolerate slow growth without quitting is one of the strongest signals that you're building something solid beneath the surface. Sign 7. Short-term volatility doesn't control your emotions. When financial news turns negative, fear spreads fast. Headlines amplify uncertainty. Social conversations become dramatic. But if you're ahead, you've learned something crucial. Temporary movement is not permanent reality. Whether it's a market dip, a business slowdown, or an unexpected expense, you don't allow short-term turbulence to define your identity. Emotional investing is expensive. People often sell in fear and buy in excitement, locking in losses and missing recoveries. Historically, those who stayed consistent through downturns recovered far better than those who reacted impulsively. You understand this at a deeper level. You don't check balances obsessively. You don't make drastic decisions based on one bad week. Instead, you zoom out. You think in years, not days. That long-term perspective protects your confidence and your capital. The true advantage isn't predicting every shift. It's maintaining composure when others lose theirs. When you separate your self-worth from temporary financial movement, you operate with clarity. And clarity creates smarter decisions that compound over time. You define wealth as freedom, not display. The final and strongest sign that you're ahead is how you define wealth. If you see money as a tool for freedom rather than a tool for display, you're operating at a different level. Many people equate success with visible symbols, luxury items, expensive vacations, constant upgrades. But true wealth often looks calm. It looks like flexibility. It looks like the ability to say no. Financial independence is less about impressing others and more about removing pressure from your life. When money gives you options to change careers, take a break, support family, or pursue passion, you've reached a higher definition of success. Studies on long-term happiness consistently show that autonomy and security contribute more to life satisfaction than material consumption. If your goal is choice rather than attention, your financial decisions automatically become smarter. You invest with intention. You spend consciously. You prioritize peace over performance. And when freedom becomes your benchmark, you stop competing. You start building quietly. And that quiet strength is what makes you truly ahead. If this video resonated with you, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to stay updated, and share is a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.